I want to share with everyone how we put on braces here at Salaita Emrich Orthodontics. We use a technique called indirect bonding, and it's a completely digital process. Using state-of-the-art technology allows us to place the braces in the most accurate and precise precision, and this means better and faster results. So when you're ready to get your braces on, the first step is to get a digital scan of your teeth. All right, here's Tristan getting his intraoral scan. How's it going, Tristan? So here's the final scan of Tristan's teeth. You can see how the intraoral scanner took digital images to capture a replica of his teeth and his bite. It's all in a digital format. So now I'm able to put it into my software and put the braces on, which is the next step. Okay, so here the next step has been completed. I've digitally placed the braces onto the virtual model of Tristan's mouth. And using the software, I'm able to look at each bracket on each tooth. And there's different tools I can use to measure the distance between the bracket and the edge of the tooth, to look at all the different angles, make sure that each bracket is in the best ideal position, which is going to give me the most accurate results for the quickest treatment. All right, so here's the next step. Our lab tech, Jess, she's digitally designing trays that go around the braces. And these are what we're going to use to put the braces on at Tristan's next appointment. This is our 3D printer. It's currently printing the trays that we designed on the computer software that are going to deliver the braces into Tristan's mouth. So you can see here they're being printed at the moment. Our braces come individually packaged, and we're taking each bracket and we're putting it into the custom tray that we printed off for Tristan so that we can deliver his braces when he comes in, all at one time. All right, Tristan, today's the day you're getting your braces on. How you feeling?
Good.
You excited?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. All right, so first we're preparing Tristan's teeth to get the braces on. Here, I'm going to put the braces on. Just keep your tongue back for me. Doing great. And open. Thanks. So, taking off the tray, and the braces are left in the right spot. Bite down, Tristan. Go ahead and bite. There you go. Braces are on. All right, here's the final product. Tristan has his braces on.